The Be in the Know program is a health incentive program offered by the university's HR department for faculty and staff that invited people to have their metabolic numbers screened and provided financial incentives to do so. It took less than a half hour, and they tested your cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. When I originally walked into the Be in the Know program, I thought I was in pretty good control of my overall health. As it turned out, my screening told me a different story. When I spoke to the nurse and she told me how bad the blood pressure result was, I was definitely surprised. And then when she told me that I should leave and go straight to the ER, it was really an eye-opener. I'm married with 4 kids, and thinking about them and knowing that my health was out of control like that, it made me realize that the time to change things was now. Since my initial Be in the Know screening about 20 months ago, I've lost about 40 pounds and I'm much more active. I now eat much more fruits and vegetables. The health changes that I've implemented, particularly surrounding my diet, have not been of my own doing. It's been a combination of my choices here and the way that my wife shops. So she now stocks a lot more fruits and vegetables, focus on fresh, unprocessed foods. And we routinely grill once a week so that we have leftovers and things of that nature to avoid the temptation of fast food when time gets away from us. After signing up with the gym, I enrolled in the Keystone Health Plan incentive program that would reimburse me a portion of my fees after 120 visits in a given year. I have started running, which is something that I have never done in my life. I recently ran my first 5K with my 11-year-old son. It's been a number of years since I was biking regularly. Biking used to be a routine part of my commute. Earlier this spring, when I found out about the Abramson Cancer Center's Ride to Conquer Cancer, that made me want to sign up because it had direct benefit with where I work, and it helped me get the bike out of mothballs and get riding again. If I had not attended the original Be in the Know screening, chances are my health would have prohibited me from even considering doing this ride, much less assembling a team to ride with me in the Ride to Conquer Cancer. Overall, I am much more active, and I can say literally I'm in the best shape of my life.